This one's for your mom. You may be gone, but your love still lives in everything I do. Seems like yesterday we used to rock the show. I laced the drink, you locked the flow. So far from here on the block for dough. Notorious, they got to know that life ain't always what it seemed to be. Words can't express what you mean to me. Even though you're gone, we're still a team. Through your family, I fulfill your dream. In the future, can't wait to see if you open up the gates for me. Reminisce sometime, the night they took my friend. Tried to black it out, but it plays again. When it's real, feelings hard to conceal. Can't imagine all the pain I feel. Give anything to hear out your breath. I know you're still living your life after death. It's kinda hard when you're not around. Know you in heaven smiling down, watching us while we pray for you. Every day we pray for you, till the day we meet again. In my heart is where I'll keep your friend. Memories give the strength I need to proceed, strength I need to believe. My thoughts speak, I just can't define. Wish I could turn back the hands of time. I'll stay in the six, shop for new clothes and kicks. You and me taking flicks, making hints, stay just to receive.